CES, we're running across very cool and interesting guests that are doing innovative things, and of course, that's the whole idea. We're in Eureka Park, which is part of the show floor in one of four main big hall venues, if you will. And in the case of this company that we're about to chat with, they're doing an intelligent human resources assistant. And we thought, well, that's different. We hadn't heard about that. Apparently designed to meet the digitalization needs of human resources. So there you go. Now they're helping you as a company. You've got a human resources department. You want to hear this next interview and see it for that matter. So joining us is the communication and marketing director from a company called Bulma Solutions, and if I get your name right, I win a prize, I hope, right? Nandinee Domah?
Yeah.
Welcome into tomorrow. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you. So I'm Nandinee Domah, the marketing and communication director for this pod. And right here we have Bulma Solution, and Bulma Solution comprises of 5 applications, 2 programs, and the robot Veja.
So there is a robot involved in this human resources.
Yes, there is a robot involved in this resource, and it comprises of a screen, and the screen comprises of the 5 applications. So Veja is here to help the HR department with their tedious task. So he will be your social manager who will interact with the employees, make sure that the employees feel incorporated in the enterprise, and also making sure that we stand for no discrimination, no ethnicity, and no gender discrimination.
Well, because there is no, I guess, ethnicity or gender discrimination with the robot, right?
That's right. We don't have discrimination with a robot.
Although it is a white robot, there's also a black robot here in the exhibit. So I guess you're still being fair, yeah?
So the reason why you chose these 2 colors is because we believe that black and white is not really a color. And if
it's lack of color, right?
Yeah. So if another enterprise want it to be adapted to their colors, you do have the option. So if they want them to be green or blue, so
maybe the company logo is a particular color, and fine, you can do it that way.
We can do it that way.
And you're talking about the robot would actually talk to the employees about how comfortable they feel? Yes. Do they feel comfortable talking to a robot?
So this is kind of the idea behind it. We are trying to break the stress of the social issues that we have, and Veja is here to talk to them, speak to them, and also help them with the tasks. So if they require any information, they can ask Veja, and Veja will reply to them. As well as during interviews, Veja is here to be like the icebreaker. So we are trying to break stress during hiring interviews so that it can be more fruitful for the enterprise as well as for the candidate. They can give really their know-how.
So the robot's name is Jeffrey.
It's Veja.
Oh, it's Veja. Well, then who's Jeffrey? I thought you mentioned Jeffrey does some interviews. No? Okay.
No, it's Veja.
Okay, it's just all the walking around the show floor, I guess it's getting to me. Veger, like the letter V and then G-E-R.
G-E-R, right.
Okay. And tell us about those 5 applications. How do the individual applications make a difference for the company?
Okay, so we have 5 applications. The first one is Venus. Venus is used within a pre-selection for the hiring process. So the HR just need to enter the name of the candidate there, and it will reveal all the information about the candidate. So on which platform the person is active, and if the person is interactive with posts that is related to his job, and that will help them to have an e-reputation of the candidate. So when we are talking about e-reputation, it also brings out social capital for that person. So the social capital is more accentuated through Vitotea, and Vitotea is where the person gives psychometric tests, and the psychometric test is ready to test their know-how, their skills, and all. And here we generate the digital passport. So the digital passport is ready to map the evolution of the candidate within the enterprise from their start right to when they are reaching promotions and promotions. And we have Themis. Themis is the law repository of the enterprise. So they are able to, they need any information about work laws, so they just need to go and type there. So how does it help the HR services? So HR would use these data to know, okay, my employees are having issues with such and such such and such topics. So they just need to generate the solution out of that. So we are really bringing it to be more proactive with the solution. So it's 2 minutes for 2,000 employees rather than 2 minutes per 2 employees for the HR.
Yeah, it makes sense. It's more efficient, but have you also discovered that these robots for assisting human resources are also more objective or, less concerned about maybe their attitudes or something because it's all done, I'm assuming, with AI and so forth?
So it's really here to help the HR. They are not here to replace the HR. So they are here to help them make the HR feel comfortable as well as the employees feel comfortable. We are really not going to replace the HR. No, that's really the robot thing.
Yes, you especially don't want HR departments to think your goal is to replace them because then they're probably not going to hire your robots.
No, we are here to assist them. It is here to help you to be more proactive with employees management, to be more proactive with hiring process, which is more and more technical rather than blind hiring. Well, we're really going for technical hiring here.
Are these robots available for human resource departments now or into tomorrow?
It will be available by the start of 2025.
Okay, very good. So folks can plan accordingly, and when they visit your website, they can get more information.
Sure, they can visit our website. You can request a demo there, and we'll be available. We'll be providing them the information within 24 to 48 hours, and we can communicate by that.
Well, thank you for spending a few minutes with us. Cool stuff you're working on, so keep up the good work.
Thank you very much, also.
It's our pleasure, and you want more information, you want to visit their site at, ready? Bulma, Bulma-solution.com. We'll get you there, of course. Come visit us at intotomorrow.com and see the video of all of our CES interviews, and we'll link you to their site as well. Meantime, stay tuned as we continue wandering not so aimlessly around the show floors at CES, our 29th year, bringing you the latest in consumer tech, as Into Tomorrow continues on the Advanced Media Network.